The Sumilang Group for providing the ice cream. Yan, okay. And of course, tama ba? Cater Pro? This is Cater Pro, Sam? Cater Pro for our bar host for this today. Hi, Sam. Sam is my favorite. Hi, Sam. This is the lovely Sam. You want parking pagka-Sabado? Call Sam. Dito naman tayo. Say, okay. Dito tayo. Oo nga, oo. Si Jenny na madalas maglakad pagtanghali, hindi ko niya ang Paseo de Rojas. Sabi ko, Iha, pag umabot ng Buendia, tumigil ka na. Sabi ko, okay. Kasi na, pupunta akong pupunta akong Mega Mall eh. A few words po for a few words na. Yan, oo. Nagpa-vlog po tayo dyan.
Hello! Welcome to our vlog!
Yan, oo. Parang, kaya nga ba?
Okay. Pero actually, more than the congratulations, we enjoyed your graduation party. Oo, for a change, ang saya. And yun, fiesta at school. So sana magbalik po sa workplace. Masaya pa rin kayo Masaya pa rin kayo makakabalik sa trabaho. Congratulations! Congratulations! Thank you, Miss Van.
Thank you, ma'am. Oh. By the way, we'll just pakipag-Gcash na lang yung kinahin.
Napunta ako ni Jenny.
Okay, ma'am, para po kay Nino. Ma'am, please say a little something. Ma'am Maylene, no? Yan po si Nino, no? We call him the Godfather. Kaya nga, si Nino. Mano kayo, mano? Ma'am, ano? Huwag kayo mag-ano. Sa December yun. Sa ano? Sa ano?
Update ko na yung 7 habits na nirecite mo sa akin kahapon. Tinanong kasi ako, nirecite ko yung 7 habits.
Thank you. You came all the way from the Mono? Oh no, you. Did you? That office good. So yeah. Eric was the one who, when they were on break, they gave us yung mga, goodies like yung mga meeting. We love coffee. Sure. Of course, ma'am. Oo naman. Andito po si Small Out. Hindi siya sabi sa akin. Ma'am Sherry. Ma'am Sherry.
Congratulations to all the graduates from the 28 PhD PHA. Especially, syempre, to our very
Of course, Nino. Of course, si Michael D. Michael D.
Tama si Aileen. Ang gagaling niyo pareho si Mayaw. So wala na kayong lusot for this coming Christmas. Ayan, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Maganda namin post for our
Walang December kasi may live kami. No, I am actually, that's my sideline. Weddings, debut, Christmas party. Pero para sa inyo, merong senior citizen discount. Tsaka PW. Okay. Wala pa. PW nila. Of course, din tayo, mga chicks ni Jew. Oo, kumusta ang avocado? What's your name here? Come on. Let's go. Camera, right there. Nahiyan ko yun. Parang nakulo na to. Oh. Yes, naka-live tayo. Live stream tayo ngayon, oh. Shout out to my fans in LA. Hi guys. So, what time is it in LA? I'm not kidding. I'm not from LA. There we go. You like Pinoy food, huh? It's like Jokoy, no? And your name is okay. Sorry? Sophie. Sophie. There, so say a little bit. You need an interpreter? And of course, his name is? Kim. You're also part of Jew's director. Okay. So, si Jew, maraming i-inculcate sa yung mother. I'm very proud of this boy. He's our class president. Let's go around.